Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Friday, 18th March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. But before that, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time. Starting with the 24 carats 1 gram price, without VAT is 234.10 and with VAT is 269.22. For 22 carats without VAT price is 219.90 and with VAT is 247.14. For 21 gram without VAT is 204.84 and with VAT is 235.57. For 18 carats without VAT is 175.57 and with VAT is 201.91. For 14 carats without VAT price is 136.95 and with VAT is 157.49. For 10 carats gold without VAT is 97.62 and with VAT is 112.26. For 6 carat gold 1 gram price without VAT is 58.52 and with VAT is 67.30. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like the video, and again I request you to please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.